Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. I thought I'd show an app I've been working on where the about will explain how it works. It's a universal context engine. You break any complex topic into its component parts, and then it'll show information about it. So I'll give a couple of examples. I'll put in World War One. Click Explore. It comes up with categories. And it's loading the categories. It finished loading. And here are the categories. So there's a whole lot of categories. And something I think makes it interesting about it is that there's just you can just scroll through and find out something you think might be interesting to look at, like censorship, I think is when it came up. Let me look at that. Then there's details, analysis, and context. So I'll click on details, and then we have a couple of paragraphs for each item. And the idea I had on the app was to try to keep the amount of information that comes that you actually read limited, because people don't like reading through a whole bunch of material. So this has a focused, content for each item that you're looking at. So this is talking about censorship, and you can see there's three different buttons: details, analysis, and context, and then three different sections. So 9 small items altogether. So that's the basic idea, and you can use it for anything. Like, let me put Abraham Lincoln. Okay, Abraham Lincoln, and it will do the same thing. It's loading categories for Abraham Lincoln, and here are the categories. So I put in early career, click on details, and then it'll go through, and you see here's the early legal career, and so on. You can drill into whatever aspect you're interested in about Abraham Lincoln. And I added a gear to where there's 3 themes you can use. One is this inverted cards scheme, which this like a great deal. This came from Claude, and then a couple of others that I thought looked pretty good. Oh, there's one more I forgot about. I need to add. So I'll have 4 altogether. And this looks really good on a phone. That's what I designed it for, would be to work on a phone. But it looks fine on a regular computer too. And this is using Google to do the queries. In the latest Google model, they provided some free, they simplified the way to do, I'm going to call this an inference app, where there's an AI brain inside the web app that's generating the content. And so Google simplified the way that you do that, where you don't need to rely on a server, but can do everything on the client side. And if that's not clear, you can just ask the AI to explain it to you about how Google has simplified inference apps. And the other thing that Google did is it's free. So I don't know how long it'll be free, but they have a free option. All of this I'm doing is all free. It's I'm paying for the monthly, the regular monthly $20. But this is, aside from that, this is inference tokens for generating content. And even when it's not free, the cost has gone down so much. It's like maybe $5 for 1,000,000 tokens. I'm not sure exactly, but even if you had to pay for it, it's a lot less than that. I misspoke. It would be $5 roughly, if as an estimate, if you were doing a lot of development with it. That's what I should have said. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and I may talk about this some more in some future videos to kind of talk about how I went about developing this. But thanks for watching, and until next time.